Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to speak on this English language, and so today I have just gone through on lot of videos which I have uploaded in this YouTube channel, and where I found out one common thing which is like very important for me is speaking in English language basically. I have basically build some sort of psychological something in our mind that in my mind basically is for like whenever I record myself I just speak on English language basically, because that is my motto for improving myself nowadays. Because this like there is a lot of people who are want to basically do the same thing, but don't able to get it because or don't able to work on it like in a longer span of time because of their self doubt, and basically self esteem is very low, and because of that they are not able to elaborate themselves in front of anyone. And if you compare like in YouTube like videos as well, so this is very important if somebody want to like express himself to the random people, so he should need to basically have a confidence to just break the just start conversation, because it is very crucial in nowadays world, because everyone is introvert and nobody want to like to disturb his peace or his environment peace. But yeah, if you are building something, and so you want to like check out every person like how they are reacting, what are their basically works and where they are coming from. So these are all the things which is required in everyone's field, and nowadays you can build a lot of connection by that, and you can also able to get a wide range of knowledge where you don't have any expertise comparison to in your field as well. Because nowadays a lot of things very important, because there is a lot of changes in today's world, and so that like last month which is happening, so that is not going to happen in upcoming months. So these all are the things which is very important for everyone. So so yeah, so as I'm also want to do something in other field as well comparison to in English. And so other thing which I want to do is basically some sort of trading thing which I'm frequently doing in my broking side, but don't able to get that result. So I think what is more important is when you are not getting results. So I found out multiple times where I'm getting results, I'm just taking it casually, because in that time you will not learn anything. So this is most important part. Once you are getting results, so you are very casually taking that approach. So if I'm getting result, I'm getting reach, so this is very easy for me, and so I'm not going to work that right anymore, because that is very easy. So I'm kind of person who like to challenge myself every time. So initial time I just I'm not able to upload the video, so I write down all the days where I'm just making mistakes, and I just in the month I just started from uploading one video every week, and just like comforting myself, because once we are comfortable with anything, so we can basically at the end we can achieve that, because we are human beings. If human beings cannot do so, nobody can do it. So this is as simple as that. So you need to make yourself simpler, because you need to basically communicate with others. So that's why you need to have a simple mindset, and simple like everyone can understand you. So that's why I'm using a very common words which everyone can understand, because apart from this I have seen multiples like teachers who are basically using a complex vocabulary which is very helpful for them basically, but not for a person who is like a beginner, who are not able, not even get that kind of words in their life. So that is first time. So how can he basically understand, and how can he will communicate what he thinks? So yeah, there's people who are like always like treated you like very like not treating you very well in outside world. They are always in a top of the moon, because they always feel like they are the one who are creating this world. So these are the people always there, so you need to find out and you need to change yourself from them. So in this video, I'm just want to complete this video and just expressing myself more, so that I'm able to build a lot of like a lot of videos where big can find out my himself. So I think this is it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye bye.